Yan. So, hello. Wala akong magawa. So, I'm gonna show you kung ano yung aking kakainin ngayon for my dinner. So, I have here my plate. I have the macadamia nuts, the brie cheese, a grapes, and a cucumber, and a pepper. Mabango. And I'm still cooking my chicken. So, that's it. This is all I want to eat today. And maybe I'm thinking of dipping it into a chili garlic sauce. I will see if it will taste good later. You know, these days I am craving of a popcorn. Not just any popcorn, but the popcorn that you can buy in the cinema especially at the AMC Cinema in Riyadh Gallery, because they have this Mexican flavor popcorn that I really like. It's really tasty. And I really love to nibble on the popcorn. Yum. Maybe tomorrow or maybe on Thursday, I will really buy it. It's my craving. To satisfy my craving. Yan, nag-iba na ako ng glasses. Charot. Nag-iba na pala ako ng filter. Anyways, naluto na yung aking chicken. Tadaan. And let's eat. Let's try this pepper. Lagyan natin siya ng chili. Garlic chili sauce. Try natin kung masarap. Maanghang. Maanghang chili garlic. Good. This is a good dinner sa mga nagda-diet. Charot. Diet din ako eh. Kasi tumataba namin. Excellent eh. So flavorful. Try din natin yung chili garlic dito sa cucumber. Maanghang lang, be. Nothing beats the macadamia nuts. Oh my gosh. Nakachin ako. Sorry guys. Nakachin ako sa chili garlic. Sarap din itong brie cheese. Wala akong pantulak. Gagawa ko. Now, I have a juice. It's a Shippo apple collagen something. And I put it here in my favorite tumbler. And you know what's good about this tumbler? It's not because it's from Coffee Address. It's from Coffee Address. There. Ay. Hindi English yan. Coffee Address. Yan. It's not because it came from Coffee Address, but because if I put ice in here, It doesn't melt at all. It stays like until 8 hours. 8 hours, but still you have this small pieces of ice, and the coldness, it really stays. So I really love this tumbler. And let's taste the juice. Yum. It's good. And that's it. Hindi ko na ubusin to. I mean, hindi ko na i-show sa inyo na naubos ko na siya. Kasi sayang ang video. Charot. Sarap.